if it's your first time or fifth time here at the channel. I always appreciate you stopping by just to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. You will enjoy 3 to 4 videos with some home decor, and of course, I'm including some cooking and some baking. So you know this playlist you don't want to miss. What to do next? Well, just keep watching, and if you're new here, subscribe so you won't miss one video from A Touch of Love 2025. If you join me for part 1 of A Touch of Love 2025, then you remember this is how my dining room table looked. What a mess! But yeah, this is the next day, so not as bad.
His love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. Everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. When I'm lost, when I'm scared, everywhere you are there. Everything that I need is made in you complete. Everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. Everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker, maker of all things. You are lover of all beings. My
Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for part 2 of my Touch of Love series for Valentine's Day 2025. I hope that my Tablescape gave you some inspiration if you're planning a Valentine's event, Valentine's Day dinner for 2, or dinner for 4. I use inexpensive and mostly items from my stash to create this tablescape. I would like to thank and welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my Priceless family. And to all of my loyal subscribers, you know I appreciate you so very much. And thank you for your continued support. Well, that's all for now. And next time, we'll be going in the kitchen to decorate my tea station. So I look forward to seeing you on Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, on your way out, if you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Oh yeah, and Saturday, well, you know, Saturday is our monthly chit chat at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you know it's gonna be fun, so make sure you're ready to join me on Saturday. And until next time, you know what I say. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna say it? You know I'm gonna say it. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.